Hello, I am Dr. Anandan. I am working as a senior consultant neurosurgeon at Medicover Hospital, Aurangabad. Regarding tingling and numbness in both upper limb or hand and legs. So what is it? It is a pin and needle sensation or some kind of paresthesia you feel in your hand or legs. There are many reasons to it, and right from peripheral neuropathies because of inflammation, because of infection, because of autoimmune diseases, and most commonly diabetes in that. That is the most common cause of tingling and numbness. Then coming to the operative part of it, means what are the surgical causes, means in which conditions the tingling and numbness may get relieved with surgery. I will focus on that. So the main cause of hand numbness is carpal tunnel syndrome, where the median nerve get compressed or entrapped in the tunnel and carpal tunnel, and if we relieve that, then your pain will be gone. Then cervical spine. If there is a disc compressing the nerve root or nerves, you will get this paresthesia kind of sensation, tingling, numbness sensation in hand or leg also. So with surgery, you will feel relieved of that. Then in leg, similarly, these are called entrapment neuropathies, where the sural nerve get entrapped or peroneal nerve get entrapped and you will get numbness. And along with numbness, you may have some symptoms like muscle weakness, then there are color changes, then there are autonomic disturbances like sweating, then hair loss or abnormal sensations, burning sensations. So whenever you feel like this, whether it is in one limb, one hand, both hands, one leg, both legs, or all both hands and both legs, you better consult a neurologist or a neurosurgeon so that we can investigate him further with nerve conduction studies if required, EMG, that is muscle studies, so that to rule out any myopathy associated with it. And if it is treatable, we can treat it, and if there is any operative cause, then I am sure you will get 100% relief with that. And if it is a part of diabetes or a part of multiple sclerosis or a part of some inflammatory or infective disorder, with treatment you will feel better. And there are preventive methods, so that like regular exercise, taking care of your limbs. In diabetic neuropathies, you have to take care of your limbs very well with wearing shoes, then supply with vitamins and all those things. So we can, in a medical condition, we can prevent the progression of the numbness and tingling in both upper limbs and lower limbs. And in operative cases, you will get a definitive cure of it. Thank you very much. So it's my request, whenever you feel like this kind of symptoms, you please consult the nearest neurologist or neurosurgeon. Thank you very much.